we good? Cool. My whole life I've wondered how this wandering.
Hey guys, welcome to another video where today we are going to be doing an art video. So today we are going to be drawing a kawaii kitten. Now it's gonna have like the little stripes, kind of like Pusheen. If you don't know what a Pusheen looks like, just look it up. It's a cute kitty. Now, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Subscribe, please. I only have 4 subscribers, so I want to get to 1,000. So guys, let's get on with the video. We're going to be drawing a cat, a little kitten, because I love cats. And yeah, so guys, please draw it with me. Alright, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so we're ready. I got the paper. So what you want to do first is you get a round body shape and just make it kind of like that. Make it kind of long. And then you want to do the ears, kind of that kind of shape that I'm doing, and kind of big. And you don't want to make it pointed, but so you just make that the shape you want it to be. And don't make it too big, because they don't want to be, you know, huge, bigger than the body. But so then you keep doing that. So then after that, you need to make the tail. So let's see. So what you want to do for the tail is just make it really any shape you want it to be. And yeah. So after you do that, oh, and by the way, you can make any designs on it you want. So yeah. So next, we're gonna do some little lines on the ears. I forgot to say that. So yeah, that'll make it look a lot better. And so yeah, that's what we've gotten so far. We should. And now we're going to make a little upside down, kind of sideways, foot, and you can make it any shape you want. So we're gonna do the feet right now, and I'll give you guys some time to do the feet like I'm doing. Okay guys, so now you're done with that. If you're not, you can pause the video, but now we're going to do the mouth and the eyes. So for the mouth, you just need to do it upside down, like a 3, kind of crooked a little bit, just like kind of like that. And then you want to do the eyeball shapes, which will look scared at first, but they're not going to in a minute. So just make them kind of circular and oval like that. And then you want to make little circles in the eyes, 2 little circles like that. You can make whatever shape you want, like a diamond or whatever you want to do. Then color in the eye like I'm doing. Now you guys can make whatever kind of eyes you want, but this is what kawaii kind of looks like to me. Kind of, so yeah. So then once you're done with that, you're going to do so see, that's how it's supposed to look right now, unless you wanted to do something else. So then you do the little whiskers, and you need a little hair in the ears, and we're almost done. We're gonna do the little stripes on the head like Pusheen. Now just look up on the internet what Pusheen looks like. It's a little kitten. It's really cute, and it's got those little stripes on his head. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done now. And what we're gonna do right now is I'm just gonna let y'all kind of finish this up. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'm gonna let you finish up a little bit, and you can make some more details on the tail, do whatever you want. So thanks guys for watching this, and please be sure to leave a like if you want me to do more art videos. And yeah, so if you do want me to do a guitar video too, like the video also. Now, please subscribe and join me in another video soon. Bye! Guys, I really am just, I've got really big news. So, guess what? You've seen this video is, you know, about a cat, because we're drawing a cat. Well, guess what? You have seen Dennis has Sir Meows a lot. You have seen almost everybody have like a YouTube pet. Actually, I've only seen Dennis have a YouTube pet. Oh wait, no. Think Noodles has what is his name? I don't know what the dog's name is, but he has a dog. I mean, a few people have animals on their YouTube channel, like their YouTube pet. Well, guess what, guys? Chloe, my cat, which you probably know what that is. I'll show you some pictures of her in a minute so you just know. But Chloe, my cat, Chloe, is going to be my YouTube pet, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay. Well, yeah. So I'm going to use some little pictures of her right now. So I'll see you guys later. That was awesome and very glorious, said the cat. So guys, also I will be changing my intro into something like a picture of my cat, or me and my cat, Chloe, something like that. So y'all remember and about how my YouTube pet is Chloe. So please leave a like. And be sure to leave a like if you want me to make a new intro. Well, I'm already making a new intro, but please subscribe. And yeah. So that was beautiful. My cat is beautiful. So beautiful. So anyways, guys, please leave a like and subscribe today, and yeah, so yeah, bye.